What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can create an FAQ page for your Shopify store. And currently you can see on my screen that I have created an FAQ page, and here I have some type of slides which you can see over here. Like if your customer is visiting onto your store, then he or she will be getting this type of slides. So I will be showing you step by step that how you can do the same thing into your store with a few simple steps. All right, you have no need to bother about the things, so you only need to follow the steps which I will be showing you in this video. So keep watching this video completely so that you get to know that how you can implement this into your store. So let's get started. So currently I have removed the code of this specific page, and now if I am refreshing this page, then I will no more able to access this one. Why? Because I have removed the code. So I will be showing you that how you can do the stuff by your own. So on my home page you can see that I have this type of store. This is the dummy store in which I am implementing a lot of things. So this is the dashboard of your Shopify store. So you have to go to your online store first of all, and there you will have to go to actions. So you have to click over it, and then you have edit code link. So you should click on edit code, and then after you will be redirected to the backend of this Shopify store. Where you will be getting a lot of folders, files, and you can also upload and create new files. So here we have layout, templates, sections, snippets, assets. So there are a lot of folders inside of it. All of them are having some type of image files or maybe template files. All right. So first of all, what you have to do is, I have already written a blog. So I will be adding the link below in the description, so you can also follow that one. So I have my website, ramzanmalik.in, then blogs. So you will be redirected to the blog posts which I have uploaded onto my website. So there I will be following the steps which I have mentioned over there. So here is the first blog. So I am clicking over it, and then you will be redirected to this page. So here I have added the screenshot, and here we have few steps which we will be following in this video. So the first step is that we have to download this zip file which is having some important files and assets. So I'm going to click over it. So this file has been downloaded successfully, and now let me open this one. So here you can see that file assets, and let me create a new folder. So for example, this folder name is files, and I am going to drag this one into this, and then after let me extract this one. And here you will be getting this assets folder, and inside of it we have three things, which is first one is the JavaScript, then we have minus symbol, and then plus symbol. So can you see over here that we have minus symbol and plus symbol? So these are actually the images which we have already uploaded. So I am going to upload the same thing onto my store again. So what we will have to do is, we have to click on assets. Then after we are going to add a new asset, click over it, and then choose a new file. So I am going to choose first of all this one, jQuery underscore accordion.js. Then after I am going to upload one more file which is minus symbol here. Then after I have the final thing which is plus symbol. So again I need to click on add a new asset, and let me upload this one as well. So all the things I have uploaded now, and let me do something new now. So this was the first step which we have completed. Now the second step is create a template file in your template folder of Shopify code editor, and open template folder and click on add a new template, and you can name it like FAQ. So again we have to click on templates, and here we have to click on add a new template, and I'm going to select this to pages. Since we are interested to create a page, so we have to select this page type, and then we are going to add here FAQ, and then we need to click on create template. All right, So now we are getting this type of code, and the third step is new template file contains some code, of course. Then you will get page.content inside a tag in the default code of the new template file. If page.content is inside a div tag, just like this. So you can see that we have this type of code here. So here you can see that we have this code, and we have page.content. So then the next step is we have to replace this that with this one. So what would be the modification? We have the only modification, which is FAQ page. So this is the class name which has been added over here. All right. So one thing we can do here is like we can copy this class name and paste it over here. So this is also done. Otherwise you can completely replace these 3 lines with those 3 lines. All right. So for example, you have this page.content in any other theme and you don't have this specific div tag. So what you will be doing here is you will have, for example, let me give you an example. For example, you can see that here we have not any div tag, and the page.content is not enclosed in div. So at that moment you will have to write here div, then you have to add class, and then you have to add here FAQ page, and then you should close this div. All right. So here we have the same thing, which is FAQ page, and then we have enclosed this one inside this div. All right. Since we have already an extra class, so we are keeping that as it is. So then after you have to save it, but before that we have another step, which is step 4. So paste below code at the last line of above created template file. So this is the code which we are going to paste over there. So I have just copied this code and then I am going to paste it down below. Then again we have the 4th step, which is this CSS file, CSS code. So we are interested to copy the same code again. I mean, this is the new code for the CSS styling. All right. So I am going to copy this one and going to paste it down below. So now everything is okay. Then after we have to go to the Shopify dashboard and we have to create a new page. So first of all, I am going to save this page. This is actually the template format which we have created just now, and now we are interested to create a new page. So you have to go to the dashboard, or you can also click on these pages. So I have opened this one in the new tab, and here what you will be doing here is like you should create a new page of FAQ. So click on add page. Then after you should add here FAQ for example. Now what would be the next thing? Create a new page and select type page.faq. So we will be having type. So this is the template suffix. So we will be having page.faq. So you should select this one. Then after you should add the title, and inside of the content, before adding anything, click on this show editor. So let me click on this one. So this is the show editor. Then after we have to paste the below code. So we have to paste this code. So let me paste the whole code which is over there. So I'm going to paste it inside of it, but make sure that you should click this one. So if I am clicking again, then you can see that we have nothing but question and answer content, but we have added some classes, important classes, so that's why you have to paste in this way. All right. So for example, let me save this one and make sure this is visible. All right. So select this radio button. Otherwise it would remain hidden and you will no more able to access it. So let me click on view on online store. So here we go. So you can see that we have question number 1, question number 2, and question number 3. So if that is not looking good, we can also add additional content. Currently we don't have any content, that's why it is looking this way. So you can also see that we have the plus and minus symbol here. So now we are interested to keep it on the navigation bar. So how we will be doing here is like we will be going to navigation, and again we have to click on main menu, and then we are going to add menu item, which is for example FAQ. then we have pages, and inside of pages we have FAQ page. Then click on add, and finally we are going to save this. And let me refresh this page. Now you can see that if I am going to home page, then after I can return back to FAQ page by clicking on this link. So now here we have this FAQ page ready. All right. You can also change the color of these slides. You can see that we have this blue color and then we have light dark. So we can also modify. So let me tell you how you will be doing that. So currently you can see that we have added some CSS in the page.faq.liquid file which we have created just now. So you have to scroll it down, and down below you will be getting this accordion class, and inside of it we have added this background color. So for example, I am writing here red color, and let me save these changes and let me refresh this page. So here you can see that we have red color. All right, so that means we have the scope of modification. And another thing is, like when we are opening that slide, then there is the different color. So let me change that one as well. So for example, I am adding here black color. So let me save these changes and let me refresh this once again. So here you can see that this is really great color. So once the slide is going to be opened, then it changes to black color. All right. And in the same way, according to your color schema of the theme, you can modify any type of color which you are interested in. You can use the hex code, and even you can also use the direct color, which for example I am adding red, green, blue, yellow. So if you want, you can also add the hex code like hash and then some number which according to your theme is required. All right. So this was the important aspect that you have also needed, because sometimes we try to modify such type of colors, and if we have easiest way to modify, then we do, otherwise we keep it as it is. But you have the scope here which I have just mentioned you. All right. So you can also change the color of your text as well. So you can go through, and if you are facing any trouble on the way, you can connect me. I will be adding the contact details below in the description. You can also do the comment in the comment section. Please do the comment, because in that way I will get to know that my video helps you or not. All right. And even if you are new on this YouTube channel, then please subscribe this channel and also like this video. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next one.